Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to create a YouTube channel. If you have started creating content or maybe you have something to post on YouTube but you don't have a channel, then in this video, I'll show you how you can create one. So simply go to a browser and there you have to search for YouTube and then you will be onto YouTube. Now, if you don't have an account or if you have it, don't worry, on the top right, you will see your profile icon. You have to click onto it. If you don't have a channel, you will see the option to create channel. Otherwise, you can click onto this option and then click on view all channels if you have a channel. And after that, you will get to this page. You will see this option create a channel. Click onto it and you have to simply give a name to your channel. It could be anything, but the handle should be unique like a username we set on other social media platforms. Like no other user have the same username or the same handle, so you can try out different ones. If it says that it doesn't exist or it is like okay, then you can keep it, but if it shows that red icon, that means you have to change it. And once you find it, you can click on create channel. Then it will just take a while into the process and your channel will be created. Now if you want to do any customization, you can click on customize channel. Another tab will open. There you can customize your channel as per your preferences, like upload banner image, you can add description, you can add links and all that. So that's how you will be able to create a channel on YouTube. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.